What is up everyone? Welcome back to another tutorial. For today's topic, I'll be teaching you how to sign up for Dhgate affiliate program. First things first, open the Dhgate website on your computer and scroll down to the bottom and look for partnership. Under partnership, click on affiliate program. Now click on the sign in above to log in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, simply create an account. Click on the create new account and fill up your email and password. Then click the box with the registration agreement. After that, verify your email by entering the verification code that was sent or will be sent to the email that you have provided. After verifying, then go ahead, click on the Enter Workplace. Read the information regarding the Dhgate affiliate agreement. Then agree to these terms. Then click on the Activate Free. Once you're done with that, fill up the information on the media section, like the channel type you want to use, the followers you have, and some sorts of information shows on the screen. After filling all of that, click the Save button. Now navigate to the product that you want to promote and then select it. Click the Get Link button below and choose the media source that you have and click Generate. It will now show the link for that item or product, which then you can earn a commission every time a customer uses that link to buy the product. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below and we'll see you on the next video.